Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. NEFFEX is back. It's been a while, but now it's time. NEFFEX, Play Dead. Another cool song from NEFFEX. We love NEFFEX here on Gordon Guitar, and I hope you do that as well. I know many of you do that, so that's why I'm bringing out them sometimes for you, these cool songs from him. So let's start with this one, Play Dead, capo on second. And we have 5 different chords to go over first. So let's look at the chords. We will start with C. Okay, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Next, A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. E minor next, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And finally, we will play the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so there you have the chords. And it's basically one strumming pattern. You will add in claps on it sometimes and without sometimes. Basically, this is what we're gonna look at. And we have the C as the first chord. So we'll look at the first strumming, I mean just without the clap, so it will be like this. Okay, so it's kind of different rhythm here. It's basically 5 downs, and it goes in that way. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Yeah, and I cannot illustrate in any different way than this. You will kind of hear the rhythm and just play along with the song or this tutorial here. So that is the basic, and if you want to add the claps here, you will play down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down. All right, so you had a clap after the second down and a second clap after the fourth down. So it's like this. So down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down. All right. So even slower. Down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So. Then you're gonna switch and play the A minor. You're gonna play 1 strumming round per chord, nothing else. So 1 strumming per chord, and then you switch to the next chord, A minor. Alright, and so on. So the chord progression starts with the chorus here. It will be C, A minor, E minor, and D. Okay? The first round of this, you will play just with the downs, without the claps. And the second round, you will play with the clap. And that is the first chorus. That takes us to the first verse. It starts in the lyrics, silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Okay, so you will play this for 4 rounds with the clap technique here. So down, down, clap, down, like this. And you will switch the chord of A minor. So instead of A minor, now you will play G. So you will play C, 1 strumming round with the clap, then G, 1, and E minor 1, and D 1. So it will be G, E minor, and D. Like this for 4 rounds. is basically it when it comes to this song. I'm gonna go over the different parts to continue with the different parts now, but there's nothing left that is new except for one strumming pattern in the end here. But we will go on with the second chorus, but if I lay down, and it will be played in the same way as the first one, the first chorus, okay? So nothing changes there. Then comes the second verse, and this verse here, it's with the A minor. So the first verse was with G. The second verse, you will play the strumming with claps for 4 rounds, and you will use the A minor now. So the chord progression will be C, A minor, E minor, D for 4 rounds. And that takes us to a part still in the verse here. Starts with silhouettes of you, or like a taunt. Comes back this line there. And now you will change to G again. Okay, so now you will play for 2 rounds. C, G, E minor, D. And then comes after these 2 rounds a third chorus, but if I lay down, okay, so you will play in the same way as the other choruses, but it continues with some kind of a post-chorus. And now this is the final part of the song. You will change the strumming to down, clap, so. Okay, this is about 2 rounds. You will play the chord progression C, G, E minor, D. Okay, the first of these 2 rounds, final rounds, will be with the clap, and the second round, final round, will be just with the downs. Same rhythm as this one we had for these 2. Down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, down. Okay, so that was NEFFEX Play Dead, and perhaps I could give you something extra for this one. We love NEFFEX here, and this is a great chorus. I love when they perhaps bring in this female voice. In my opinion, it gets to a higher level there. Cool, yeah, so why not improvise a little bit spontaneous this part here. So let's go.